Hello everyone, this is Prashanth. Let's continue with the last lecture. In the last lecture, just we have completed some real-time examples of IoT. Along with that, some who was the founder of IoT, what are the specifications, what are the advantages, disadvantages, salary packages IoT for IoT developers, how many devices are connected to the internet up to 2020. Right now we are in 2024. Almost up to 2020 only 7.6 billion people are available in worldwide. So for at that, just 50 billions of devices will be connected to the internet. So we are in 2024. Almost the population also will grow on. Nearly 75 billions of devices connected to the internet. So these are the things we discussed in the last class. That is in the part of real-time examples of IoT. Now we move entering into the some domain specifics of IoT, part 1. Domain specific is nothing but applications under different domains like that. So we have here before that, first what are the objectives, what is the outcome of this particular topic here. Objective: Internet of Things applications can be a wide range of domains it explore. What is the outcome? Students should will identify and analyze domain specific of IoT applications. So these are the two main what is the objective of this particular IoT domain specifications, what is the outcome, objective and the outcome. So we'll move on to the content of this particular topic here. So this is the introduction of IoT domain specification. The applications include different domains like home automation, cities, environment, energy system, retail system, logistics, industry, agriculture, and health and lifestyle. So these are the different IoT applications under different domain. It is we already know applications can span a wide range of domains: home automation, cities, energy, like that we have. Okay, so these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 domains. We are in 9 domains. We are applications of IoT. Let's start with the first one, that is home automation. It is very important content of IoT domain specification. We all are in we all are home. In that we have different appliances available in our home, like lighting appliances, irrigation system, thermostat, blinds, security cameras, speakers, locks, like that. Different appliances available in the home. So based on that, one by one, just we discussed about under home automation. Smart lighting. Smart lighting is nothing but it helps in what is the significance of smart lighting. It helps in saving energy by adapting the lighting to the ambient condition and switching on or dimming the light when needed. So that is the main significance or applications of smart lighting here. Key enabling technologies for smart lighting include solid state lighting such as LEDs and IP enabled lights. So here we are going to discuss along with one enabling technology, that is solid state lighting. So smart lighting solutions for home achieve energy savings by sensing human movements and their environments, controlling the lights accordingly. So according to the human activity, just it can on and off condition it can maintain. And wireless enabled internet connected lights can be controlled remotely from IoT applications such as mobile or web application. So any IoT device available in our home, so that can controlled by either mobile or any other web application. So just remote access, it can provide remote access also under smart lighting. That is one of applications under home automation, smart lighting. So next, just we move to the smart appliances here. Smart appliance is nothing but it is make the management easier and also provide status information to the users remotely. These are the here we have 3 components: controller, a designer and control control panel. So these are the two main three components of smart appliances in order to maintain. Control is nothing but manages scheduling and runtime irrigation between the devices. So this is the some specification of controller. And designer allows to create both configuration for both controller and user interface design. So this is the about designer. And control panel, it allows to interact with devices and control them. So these are the main three components under smart appliances. It is used to make the management easier and provide status information to the users remote. Just by using remote access, just you can operate the whatever the devices available in our home. So that is the main application of smart appliances. Open remote. So we know open remote is an open source automation platform for smart homes and building that can control various appliances using mobile and web applications. So this is the about smart appliances. So these are the some remote control, remote security, and intelligent energy use, access to the internet that can connect home device connected to the internet. So this is just a black diagram of home appliances which are available in network. And intrusion detection. So compulsory any unknown person or unauthorized person coming to our home, it can compulsory the system will identify whether the person is belongs to that home or not. So that is nothing but intrusion detection. Intruder, unknown person, intrusion detection system that can done by intrusion detection system. So in security cameras and sensors, by using PIR and door sensors to detect intrusion and raise alerts. The alerts just if it is found unknown person, immediately the alert sent to the particular person through the mobile app or whatever just we before installed. So the alerts can send to the that particular point. So home network routers, by using SMS or email or image grab or just image screenshot or particular intrusion detection image, that is the in terms of alerts by either SMS or email, whatever. And home network routers, the network will based on the routers, all the internet connected devices in home. These days, the network routers continues to be far for the most targeted in attacks. The most internet routers that can keystone to our home network are riddled with security issues, which make them easy picking for hackers. And the most router worldwide has default for basic username and password like that, admin password like that. So most of the people are maintain password like that only, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 password as password, admin or admin like that. So because of this, the most routers are vulnerable to simple password attacks, which is basically an open invitation to malicious hacker. So compulsory you have to maintain for password different password, not to date of birth, not name, not father name, not mother name, not wife name, not children name. Just you have to maintain a very strict password to maintain your data in online. So this is the intrusion detection system in home appliances. And the next one, the smoke or gas detector. Compulsory every home having one cylinder. So is there any leakage in the gas cylinder, that can detected by that system, gas detector system. Smoke detectors are installed in homes and buildings to detect smoke. That is typically an early sign of fire. Alerts raised by smoke detectors can be in the form of signals to a fire alarm system. So this is about smoke detectors. And gas detectors. So compulsory, is there any smell of, just by identifying the smell, smell or temperature, whatever, the presence of harmful gases such as CO, LPG like that, it can be detected by that system and immediately send the alerts to the particular destination point. The smoke detector detects the smoke in the home and it sends signal to the control unit that displays the smoke unit in display section, and temperature sensor mentioned above gives the temperature of the room. Signals are sent to the IoT to the main control just to control same activities of the room. So this is the main black diagram of particular that smoke or gas detectors. display unit. Just it can how much temperature available in home, how much gas. It is just by sensing the information. Some whatever the sense information that can displayed on the display. Smoke detector, battery. Just in order to run that, just we need some battery. Sensors. This is the control unit. From the control unit only the information alerts into the destination part. So this is about smoke or gas detector under smart cities. So home automation. The second one, smart cities. In under cities, just we have smart parking. For example, if you want to go some shopping mall or wherever you go, you go. Is there any traffic area? Before going there, first you have to identify whether the parking slot are they are available or not. Like that, just you have to identify by with the help of smart parking system to make the search for parking space easier and convenient for drivers. So this is used for drivers, owners also, those who are driving the vehicle. Those who are want to park the car in space, for that just it is useful. Smart parking are powered by IoT system that detect the number of empty parking slots and send information over the internet to smart application backend. So that is the importance. And the smart parking management system can be used to find vacant location for a vehicle at different public spaces. Like that is the second thing. The last one, the smart parking in ground vehicle detection sensors also are core technologies playing a key part in the smart parking solution. That is revolutionizing how drivers in the malls and city centers can find an available parking space. So these are the just 3 points regarding smart parking. Just whether the identify the free space to park the vehicles. And continuation, wireless sensors are embedded into the parking spaces, like transmitting data onto the timing and duration of the space, used via local signal processor into central parking management applications. Smart parking reduces congestion, decreases vehicle emissions, lower enforcement cost, and cut drivers' stress. Like that, for effective deployment of smart parking technologies, each devices need to have a reliable connectivity with the cloud servers. So this is the just image of smart parking, just image like that. Next, the second one, smart lighting. In states, just we talk about the smart lighting for it is for roads, parks, and buildings. Can help in saving energy. How the saving energy with the smart lighting, city authorities can keep real-time tracking of lighting to ensure optimized illumination and deliver demand-based lighting in different zones. So that this is the specification of road, parking, and building of smart lighting. Smart lighting also helps in daylight harvesting and save energy by dimming out sectors with no occupancies. That is the second one. And for example, parking slots can be dimmed during working hours. When a car is entering, it will be detected and appropriate sectors can illuminate it, while other can be kept at diffusion setting. So this is the main just real-time example of smart lighting. That is the under cities. Next, the third one, smart roads. Smart roads also one of the major thing in IoT. Equipped with sensors can provide information on driving condition, travel time, estimating alert in case of poor driving condition. That is the just we use of smart roads with the in traffic condition and accidents. Such as information can help in making the roads safer and help in reducing traffic jam. Since information sensed from the roads can be communicated via internet to cloud applications and social media and disseminated to the drivers who describe to such applications. So this is about smart roads. It helps to making the roads safer and help in reducing traffic jam and accidents. So this is the smart parking. Just you can observe the image, lighting on off the 1 to 10 volts. proximity sensor lighting activation by using communication protocol, that is Wi-Fi. Network sensory nodes. These are the different applications on smart roads. Next, the fourth one, structural health monitoring system, nothing but medical department like that. It uses a network sensors to monitor the vibration levels in the structure such as bridges and buildings. The data collected from these sensors is analyzed to access the health of the structures. By analyzing the data, it is possible to detect cracks, mechanical breakdowns, locate the damage to a structure, and also calculate the remaining life of the structure. So based on this also, just I developed one project that is rail railway track crack detection system using LED LDR using LDR system. So this is my MTech project also. Is there any crack? For example, this is railway track. So is there any crack? For example, here there is a crack. So by using this system, just it can detect to the crack with the help of LED lighting. So the light is passing from this side to this side. That is the normal condition. The normal condition, the light is not possible to from this side to that side. So if is there any crack, there is a chance to light from this side to that side. So compulsory there is a crack, it can detect by that system. So this is also one of the real-time example of my project that is considered on IoT also. So here same also for bridges also, detect cracks, mechanical breakdowns, locate the damage to a structure, and also calculate the remaining life of the structure. Using such systems, advanced warnings can be given in the case of imminent failure of the structure. So this is about the structural health monitoring for bridges, cracks, whatever the construction part is going on that, just we can implement this structural monitoring system under cities. Next one, surveillance. So in the surveillance, this video feeds from surveillance cameras can be aggregated in cloud-based scalable storage function. The video feeds from surveillance cameras can be aggregated in cloud-based scalable storage solutions. So that is about surveillance. So under cloud IoT cloud, just we have some database, combiner, CCTV specifier, DVR. Under application, just we have web applications and mobile applications. So we have to send the information to the web or mobile, or just we can see the by using remote access also, just we can see the our mobile or by using some web application. Based on that requirement, just we have to use either web or mobile application. So from the sensors data, CCTV data analysis. So this is the cloud-based video analytics. Applications can be developed to search for patterns to specific events for the from the video feeds. So this is the surveillance, and the emerging response, emergency response here, just it can used in the terms of medical IoT system for fire detection. Fire detection, gas, water leakage detection can help in generating alerts and minimizing their effects on the critical infrastructures. IoT systems can be used for monitoring the critical infrastructure cities such as building, gas and water pipelines, public transport and power substations. So this is about the emergency response in various areas. IoT system for critical infrastructure monitoring enable aggregation and sharing of information collected from larger number of sensors. Using cloud-based architecture, multi-model information such as sensor data, audio, video feeds can be analyzed in near real-time detect adverse events. So this is about the emergency response under second domain, that is cities. Next, the alerts can be in the form of alerts sent to the public, whatever the public sources are available in the environment, and rerouting of traffic also, rerouting of traffic to alerts, and evacuation of affected areas, wherever the areas are we defined, that can areas are affected areas. So the alerts can pass to the public, rerouting of traffic areas, evacuation of affected areas, whatever. So this is just ambulance. The alerts can be sent to the different areas, medical department, doctors, some emergency responses like that. Yeah. Next one, the third domain, that is environment. This is third. So under the environment also we have different applications here. Weather monitoring system. So weather is nothing but in that weather, just air pollution, just the input parameters are humidity, temperature, like that we have some different parameters. The system, whatever the system is collected data from a number of sensors, attached and send the data to the cloud-based applications and storage backends, that is okay. And data collected in cloud can then be analyzed and visualized by cloud-based applications. Weather alerts can be sent to the subscribed user from the such applications, whatever we use to send the data. For that, just we information can send. AirPy is a weather and air quality monitoring kit capable of recording and uploading information about the temperature and humidity. I already know temperature, humidity, temperature and humidity. So air pressure, high light levels, UV levels, carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, smoke level to the internet. So these are the some along with the temperature and humidity. Temperature, humidity, air pressure, light levels, UV rays, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, smoke level, like that, different parameters. So this is under weather monitoring system. Next, air pollution monitoring system. We already know, just we now discussed in the last slide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen monoxide, like that. By factors, automobiles using gases and meteorological sensors, the collected data can be analyzed to make informed decision on pollutions control appliances. So this is under air pollution monitoring under environment, third domain. Noise pollution monitoring also, it can detect due to the growing urban development, noise levels can cities have increased and even become alarmingly high some cities. IoT based noise pollution monitoring system uses a number of noise monitoring systems that are deployed at different places in a city. The data on noise level from station is collected on servers in the cloud. The data collected is integrated and the generated on the noise maps. Just at particular point at a time, what are the noise level in dB, what are the noise level, just you can maintain one map for that noise pollution monitoring system. Next one, forest fire detection system. In some cases also, in those days in summer season, there is a chance to occur forest burning. Forest fire can damage natural resources. Along with forest also, nearby place also they burn. It can burn. So it can damage natural resources, property, human life. It is harmful for human life also little bit. For early detection, forest can alerts minimizing the damage. So just if you implement the IoT system there, it can measure the to fire. Before that, first you have to it has to gather the data of humidity, temperature, like that, some input to parameters here. Forest fire detection system, number of monitoring nodes deployed with different nodes. Each monitoring node collect measurement on ambient condition, including the temperature, humidity, and light levels. So before raining or before fire, there is a huge amount of light or light. So these are the input parameters. Is there any changes in the temperature also, humidity also, light level also? That sensor, it can record the data, data that can alerts can send to the particular destination part. So based on that, the forest department also can take the action immediately based on that alerts. So the monitoring nodes collect measurements and like that. Early detection forest fires can help in minimizing the damages. So that is, this is help in forest fire detection also. And a river flood detection, so it can harmful to human life also. Some uh, it can damages natural human resource and human life also, as like forest fire detection. Early warning of floods can be given by monitoring the water level. Here the input parameters are water level, flow rate of water, flow rate of water. So these are the two input things. Just it can connect recorded by the river flood detection system. IoT based river flood monitoring system uses a number of sensor nodes that monitor the water level and flow rate of the sensor. The IoT based river flood monitoring system uses a number of sensors that nodes the monitor the water level using the ultrasonic sensor. To that we use ultrasonic sensor, and ultrasonic sensor flow rate using velocity sensor. So these are the two in order to identify the water level and flow rate of the water using ultrasonic sensor and velocity sensor. Data from the sensors aggregated in a server in the cloud. Monitoring applications raise alerts when rapid increase in water level and flow rate is detected. So this is about the river flow detection. So these are the three types of domains. First, home automation system, and cities and environment. Under these three, we have different categories like river flood detection system, forest fire detection system, smart lighting, smart marking, home automation, like that we discussed. So remaining domains continue with the next lecture. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.